Okay, in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to send emails to a list of users from Google Sheets or as form notifications from Google Forms. Now, the reason why you'll want to use Gmail to send your emails is because you don't want to end up in the promotions tab or the social tab, or even worse, in the spam folder. Sending directly from Gmail is the best way to land on the inbox, and you can use tools like Form and Email Merge Utility to do that. So we're going to go ahead and go here. And what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to demonstrate how you can use it as a form notification. You'll see here I have a lot of notifications already created, and what we're going to do is we're going to edit this one here, and I believe this one is connected to the form where we're going to be submitting data to. So it's just a template name. You connect it to a test. Here's your subject, and then you can add headers here, which you can select from this drop down here. And you can set the sender's name, you map the email field, and you click this on to send on form submit. And you go ahead and save that, and what'll happen is you should be able to see, well, there's no data now, so we can't see a preview. So we'll go ahead and fill this out. And so let's see here. Yeah. So I'll go like that. Once we submit it, you'll see that we have a record that came in here, and the template said it was sent. And if we check our inbox, we should see that here, and you see the email from the template and the name came in there. Now what you can also do is you can send this as a list. So let's assume that there's let's see, let's delete these rows here. And let's say we want to send it to multiple people. Then what we'll do here is we'll use this as a mail merge. And we'll go ahead and preview this as a template, which we have saved as a test form submit. And what it'll do is it'll go ahead and grab that data on the first row after the header, and it'll show you an example of what the email is going to look like. And so we can either send just a preview, or we can send both emails. And so what'll happen is it'll get started, and then it'll send the emails, and then you should have a couple of emails in your inbox.